Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on how to install the transfer case lock switch. So today I have one of these switches, and this is the stick-on piece. So what you need to do is you need to pull these 3 Christmas tree pins out. So you pull this down. Mine's super easy to get out because I test these harnesses on my personal truck. So that's out of there. The carpet usually goes up to about here. So you pull the carpet back, and then there's a little plastic cover here. So you can usually pop the plastic cover off. The tabs are built into it. Then you just simply push this piece down, slide the connector out, take this harness right here, slide that in till it snaps. This guy goes in here like so. Now these 2 wires can be hooked to here. You can see I already have the taps in. This keeps constant power on, so if you remember to turn your switches off, you can use this. If you're forgetful, it'll keep the clutches on even with the truck off. So I recommend you take your red wire, I can see it here, your red wire, and you stick it up into here, into the blue, and then secure it with one piece of electrical tape right around both. Now you take your black wire, you hook it up into here. This is your blower motor resistor. That's in place now. One piece of tape around there, and then you run your wires, and that should be it.